Time to make it rain! Hey! The clouds are stopping at our rain, our rules. This means war!
What happens when countries start controlling the rain and the clouds don't stop at the border? Nations are using real science to make more rainfall where they need it, but some people worry it could steal water from neighbors or harm nature. Is this smart technology saving us from drought, or is it creating new problems we can't control? Today, we're talking about something real and happening right now in 2026, cloud seeding. It's not science fiction or tiny robot swarms in the sky. It's a proven way to help clouds make more rain or snow. We'll go step by step through what it is, who's doing it, the good parts, the worries, and what might happen next. Everything here is based on real facts from scientists, governments, and reports. Let's climb this ladder of truth together. The dawn of modern cloud seeding. Cloud seeding started in the 1940s when scientists discovered they could add tiny particles to clouds to help water droplets stick together and fall as rain or snow. The most common particle is silver iodide. It looks like ice crystals and helps cold clouds make snow. Back then, it was small experiments, but now, in 2026, it's much bigger. More than 50 countries around the world are doing cloud seeding, according to the World Meteorological Organization. China has the world's largest program. They use planes, drones, and ground machines to make rain over huge areas, more than half their land. They spend billions to fight drought, help farms, and even clear air pollution sometimes. The UAE is a leader in the desert. They do hundreds of flights every year with drones and planes. Reports say it can add 10 to 30% more rain in some places, giving millions of cubic meters of extra water. In the U.S., states like California, Utah, Colorado, and Texas use it to fight drought and build more snow in the mountains for water later. Companies like Rainmaker are using AI and drones to make it more precise and prove it works. India is testing it too, for farms, and even to try reducing city pollution in places like Delhi. The big change, new tech like drones, better radar, and AI, helps target clouds exactly and measure if it really works. It used to be hard to know if extra rain came from seeding or just natural weather. Now, scientists can see 5 to 15% more precipitation in the right conditions. We've gone from maybe it works to it can help, but it's not magic. The tools and how it really works. So what's actually happening in the sky? Most programs use silver iodide flares shot from planes or drones into clouds that already have moisture. The particles act like seeds. Water freezes around them and falls as rain. Newer methods use salt particles, like from seawater, for warmer clouds, or even electric charges to help droplets join. Drones are a game changer. Companies like Rainmaker fly them safely into clouds using AI to pick the best spots. No pilots needed, and it's cheaper and more accurate. In the UAE, they do over 300 missions a year. In China, thousands of operations help move water vapor from wet areas to dry ones. It only works on existing clouds. You can't make rain from a clear blue sky. And the extra rain is usually 5 to 15%, not huge storms. It's a helper for nature, not full control. Geopolitical tensions. Who owns the rain? Here's where it gets exciting and a bit scary. Clouds don't respect borders. If one country seeds clouds to make rain fall on their land, less might reach the next country downwind. People call this rain theft or cloud theft. It's happened in words. Iran once accused neighbors of stealing their clouds during a bad drought. Some worry China's huge program could affect neighbors. Experts say the real risk is often more about blame than actual big effects. If a country has drought, they might think it's because the neighbors seeded the clouds, even if it's just natural dry weather. There aren't strong international rules yet for normal cloud seeding, not for war. The 1977 INMOD Treaty bans using weather as a weapon in war, but everyday programs are mostly okay. Some call for better sky rights or global agreements so countries talk first. In 2026, tensions are rising as more countries join, but most experts say effects are local and small, not massive theft across borders. Still, it makes people nervous. The environmental questions. Is it safe? Silver iodide is used in tiny amounts, way below toxic levels in most studies. The World Meteorological Organization and many reports say no big harm to people, animals, or nature from current use. It's almost insoluble in water, so it doesn't break down easily into harmful silver. Long-term tests in the US, Australia, and elsewhere show levels stay safe in soil and water. But some scientists worry, if we do way more seeding, could silver build up over years? Could it affect tiny water life? Downwind effects are hard to measure fully. Other risks? It only works sometimes, and if clouds are wrong, nothing happens. No proof of big ecological disasters, but more research is needed. The good side? Extra water helps farms, rivers, and cities in dry places, fighting real climate problems like worse droughts. Reclaiming balance. What's next in 2026? In 2026, things are moving fast. Countries push for better rules. Some want a global treaty on weather modification to share info and avoid fights. Alternatives? Passive ways like protecting forests, better water use, or desalination like UAE does a lot. These don't change the sky. Tech like AI and drones make seeding better and safer, but many say use it carefully with science, not as a fix-all. The World Meteorological Organization doesn't push or ban it. They say study more and be transparent. We are at a crossroads. Cloud seeding can help with water shortages as the planet warms, but we need rules, research, and trust between countries. Final thoughts? Cloud seeding isn't smart dust rain turning skies into nightmares. It's real, limited tech helping in dry places. But it raises big questions. Who decides the weather? What if it affects neighbors? Are we ready to share the sky? It's exciting science, but we must be careful. What do you think? Is cloud seeding a smart tool against drought, or should we worry more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this opened your eyes, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real science stories. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.